Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice for beginners. Today's story is about a girl named Selena who wants to learn how to draw so she can win a contest. So, let's start. One morning at school, Selena noticed a big sign on the wall. It read, "Drawing Contest, First Prize, $3,000. Her eyes lit up. Selena had been dreaming of buying a new computer, but she didn't have nearly enough money. She thought, if I win this contest, I can finally get it. There was just one problem: Selena didn't know how to draw. Not even a little. But she wasn't ready to give up. The contest was 3 months away, and she made a decision right then: she would learn. That afternoon, she went to the store and bought a blank sketchbook and a pack of pencils. As soon as she got home, she sat at her desk and gave it a try. Her first drawing was a face, but the eyes looked uneven and the mouth was crooked. Frustrated, she erased it and tried to draw an apple instead. It came out lumpy and strange. Selena sighed. "Can I really do this?" she wondered. Then she remembered the $3,000, and more importantly, her dream. She looked at the sketchbook and said out loud, "I can do this. I just have to keep practicing." From that day on, she practiced every single afternoon. She drew whatever she could see: apples, cups, chairs, her backpack. Some sketches turned out okay, others were a mess. But Selena kept going. She also started watching drawing tutorials on YouTube. She paused, rewound, and followed along, slowly picking up tips and techniques. Little by little, her drawings started to look better. One day, her cat Lily curled up on the couch beside her. Selena decided to draw her. She sat on the floor and carefully studied Lily's shape. Her first few tries were rough, the ears were too big, and the legs looked strange, but she kept trying. After a while, she finished the drawing and smiled. It actually looked like Lily. Weeks passed. Selena filled page after page with flowers, trees, faces, and animals. Sometimes she got frustrated. "I'm not good enough," she'd think. But whenever she felt like quitting, she looked back at her old drawings and saw how far she'd come. By the end of the second month, her confidence had grown. One Saturday, she went to the park to practice. Sitting under a tree, she sketched the tall green trees, the calm lake, and a little red boat floating in the water. It was her best drawing yet. Then, finally, the big day arrived. The room was buzzing with excitement as students filled the school auditorium. The theme was, "My Favorite Place." Selena sat at a desk with her pencils ready. Her hands trembled slightly as the timer started. She took a deep breath and began to draw. Slowly, she brought her favorite scene to life: the lake from the park, surrounded by tall green trees, birds soaring above, and the red boat drifting gently on the water. When time was up, everyone pinned their drawings to the wall. There were so many beautiful pieces. Selena's stomach flipped as she waited. Did I do enough? Then, a man stepped up to the microphone. "And the winner of this year's contest is," he paused. "Selena." Selena froze. Did he really say my name? She stood up slowly, her eyes wide in disbelief, and walked to the front as the crowd clapped. The man handed her a giant check for $3,000. Selena beamed. She looked at her drawing, then at the check, and smiled even bigger. All those hours, all that effort, it had paid off. Now, she could finally buy her computer. But more than that, she had discovered something even better: a love for drawing, and what she could achieve when she didn't give up. Thanks for watching this English listening practice. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.